Okay, let's dive in. If you've ever, finished a long meeting and just dreaded writing up the notes, knowing you could be doing actual work instead,
Mm-hmm.
then this deep dive is definitely for you. We're unpacking Otter AI today. It's this super popular tool for, transcription, notes, making meetings less painful.
Yeah, and our goal here isn't just to list features. It's really about the impact,
Hmm.
how Otter turns talk into text, like instantly.
Yeah.
Accurate text, searchable text.
Right. Saving hours for basically everyone, students, professionals, content creators too.
Exactly. And getting started is super easy. Signups, free email, Google, Microsoft account, whatever works.
And you can use it anywhere, like web, mobile.
Website, mobile app, there's even a desktop app now. So really accessible.
Okay, cool. So you log in. What hits you first?
A dashboard, right? Talk about
That dashboard.
Yeah.
Think of it as your mission control. It's where everything happens.
More than just uploading an audio file then. Oh yeah, you can do that instantly, sure. But it's really built to pull all your conversations, all your meetings into one single place, like a central hub.
I notice it looks kind of like Discord with those folders.
Yeah. It uses that folder structure like little channels. It makes it really visual, helps organize what could otherwise be, just a mess of recordings, turns chaos into an actual usable archive.
Okay. Organization is good, but the real power seems to be getting Otter into your calls automatically. How does that work? How does it connect?
So there are a few ways.
Mm.
For your online meetings, Zoom, Google Meet, Teams, there's something called Autopilot.
Autopilot sounds fancy, like an auto-join feature.
Basically, yeah. You tell it which meetings to attend, and it just shows up like a participant, listens, transcribes, all automatic.
Nice. What else?
You can also just paste a meeting URL directly into Otter. Like grab the Zoom link, paste it in, and Otter just hops on the call itself.
Simple enough. What about, say, in-person stuff or old recordings?
Good point. For in-person, you can use the mobile app or even the web browser to record. Just obviously make sure you tell people you're recording. That's important.
Right. Consent first. Always.
Always. And then for existing files, you just import them. Drag and drop audio files. The business plan actually gives you unlimited imports.
Oh, unlimited. That's huge if you have, years of archives you want to make searchable.
Exactly. Imagine turning all that past audio into a database you can actually use.
Okay, so we've got the audio in, meeting's over. What happens next? Because just having the text is only part of it, right?
Totally. Transcription is just step one. The real magic is the AI stuff after the meeting, like the Otter AI chat feature.
AI chat. So like ChatGPT, but just for my meetings.
Pretty much. It's your own internal research assistant. You can ask it questions about your conversations.
So instead of just searching keywords, I can ask, what? What did we decide about the Q3 budget?
Exactly. Or summarize the key action items from the last 3 project meetings. It synthesizes across conversations. It's not just search, it's understanding.
That sounds powerful. And it does summaries automatically, too.
Yep, it generates meeting summaries. Using templates, you can use theirs, make your own, or let the AI handle it completely. And if you don't like the first summary, just click Regenerate.
Handy. Can you flag tasks within it?
You can set action items right there in the transcript. Type something like, need to follow up tomorrow, and it can track that.
What about cleanup? Sometimes AI messes up who's talking, especially if people talk over each other.
Yeah, that happens. There's a feature to rematch speakers. If it gets it wrong, you just tell it, no, that was actually Sarah.
And it learns.
It does. It gets better at recognizing specific voices over time, especially people you meet with often. Plus, you can highlight important bits, sync the text perfectly back to the audio timing.
So you can hear the exact moment something was said.
Right. And you can export conversations or even post those AI summaries straight to Slack.
Integration again. Okay, let's touch on cost quickly. There's a free tier you mentioned.
Yep, a functional free tier to get you started. For the power users needing more, like that unlimited import or more advanced features, there are paid options.
And those are?
Around $16.99 a month if you pay monthly, or it drops to about $8.33 per user per month if you pay for the year up front. It's like $100 annually.
Seems reasonable for the kind of productivity boost it offers.
Yeah, I mean, it's fundamentally a tool built for synthesis and retrieval, taking information that used to just disappear and making it work for you.
Okay, so final thought to leave people with. Let's think about this voice recognition getting smarter. If Otter knows your voice and it can automatically pick out and label recurring speakers across every single meeting, every conversation you record.
Yeah.
How does that change how you manage your professional network, your knowledge?
Right. It stops being just a series of conversations.
And becomes this permanent, searchable, deeply personalized knowledge base built around the actual people you interact with. It's a pretty fundamental shift in documenting communication.